Hi there, I'm the ungifted musician. I have my little Akai groove box right here, and on my lap is a sampler. What type? It's a Min Via Voya. I don't know. Um, but besides that, I'm gonna try and make some funky synth noises with it. Um, and try to see what I can do with it. So I would love to show you like my sample and like also my synthesizer. I have no good way of showing you that stuff, so everything's going to be kind of off screen. Sorry for that. Actually. So I kind of like that. I'm gonna just add that to a sample and see where that goes, because I thought that was pretty decent. Alright, so now that I have that, let me just set that down. I have my groove box here now. Let me just add a bunch of stuff, like so. So I already kind of have some sounds queued up, so I'm gonna just add it together real quick. I'm trying to make these videos kind of short, so. Alright, now let's add my synth. Okay, that sounded decent-ish, but let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments. This has been the video though, so bye.